Hello, this is Kuratulan and I have uploaded videos for the zodiac sign, all the zodiac sign, 12 zodiac signs, and this video is for Cancer, for the zodiac sign Cancer, and now I have uploaded. Please avoid outside influence or outside interference. So for the sign of Cancer, we have the energies. What do we have for the sign of Cancer? What do we have for the sign of Cancer for the month of April? What do we have for the sign of Cancer? The Chariot card. What do we have for the sign of Cancer? Okay, Two of Cups, great energies. What do we have for the sign of Cancer? What do we have for the sign of Cancer? Yes, we have Page of Cups. What do we have for the sign of Cancer? Energies are so high for the Cancer sign. Energies are so high for the Cancer sign. Okay. What are the signs of Cancer? What are the energy for the sign of Cancer? Yes, Five Cups. Five Cups. Guys, your person is missing you. This is for sure that your person is missing your relationship. Your person is missing your togetherness. I have seen a lot of cards energy. Three of Swords is there. Yes, definitely heartbreak is there. Heartbreak is there. Your person is missing you and now he wants to reconcile with you. Let's see what do we have. Four of Cups energy, Four of Cup energy for the clarification of Chariot. Four of Cup energy. Yes, looking Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is there. Don't worry, I will clarify everything. What do we have for the sign of Cancer? Yes. Okay. So guys, we have the Chariot. Your person is ready to take the next move and they are coming with a great offer, and I have seen this energy in a lot of other cards but not in the best way, because the Chariot comes only for the sign of Cancer. So this is your card, Cancer. So this is very good that your own card comes up in your energy. Then we have Nine of Cups in the reversal. So in the reversal it means that there is a lake. Your person feels lake and they are unable to see what Four of Cups explains. For Four of Cup energy explains that your person is unable to see the fourth cup which you are offering or the other person is offering. So this energy is high on time. Then we have Two of Cups. Two of Cups, I should remove that. Okay, fine. So now see, Two of Cups, like your person is missing you and your relationship, and they are ready to make amendment, they are ready to make change, and they are ready to have relationship with you. And now we have Five Cups. They feel pessimistic about the loss of the person, the person feeling loss of this relationship, and they are coming very slowly, because this night is very slow, but it is coming. This night is very slow but it is coming with an offer, because your person is missing you and they are very desperate to tell you that they want you, they they are unhappy without you. So they are coming with an offer, but they at this time they are very heartbreak, they are in the heartbreak, they are in heartbreak, and they are seeing you as a star. They think that this you should not keep a small offer. This Page of Cup means that small, they are thinking to give you. Their emotions are going through like water. You see, their emotions are going through like water. They want to give you an offer, but they are hesitant because they have already heartbreak. They have already heartbreak, and they are looking you as a star, and they are feeling you as a star, and they are very optimistic about you and you and your relationship. They are feeling like your relationship has all the things that can give him or her all the fulfilling desires, all the love, all the relationship what they want. So let's clarify three of swords. Why this three of swords is there? I'm very confused about this. Why this three of swords is there? So the cards energy is that because you both are not communicating each other. uh, Eight of swords in reverse, that means your person is is at the heartbreak on no communication between both of you. Your person sees that sees something. Your person sees positivity between both of you, and now your person is thinking that this heartbreak may cause him sorrow and make him pessimistic. So let's see why this two of cups is there. Two of cups is there because your person is in her in is the moon card. Your person is hiding this from you. Your person is hiding this from you. Your person is hiding that he's missing you, and your person is thinking that he should not tell you this, that he is missing you. And uh, but let's see what this moon card is here. What your person is hiding. Let's see what your person is hiding. Your person is hiding the sun. Your person is hiding the sun. Your person is hiding a very good offer from you. Your person is hiding that there is something very best about you that he loves a lot, but he is not going to tell you right now. He is hiding this from you. Sun and moon, you both are here. Moon represent the energy of queen, and the sun is represent the energy of boy or the king. So for me, you both are here, or you this energy is so strong and so heavy on your person. So your person feels optimistic about this relationship, but right now they are unwilling to tell you that they are missing you, and they are not going to contact you unless you are not willing to tell him that you are also feeling the same whatever he is feeling for you. So this is let's see why your person is not contacting with you. Why eight of wands is in reverse? Why this eight of wands is in reverse? Eight of wands is in reverse because because there is some karma going on. There is some karma going on. Your person has to pay, has to complete, or has to uh, end one relationship, and then or or clear the past and then come forward with you. So your person knows this is what he is hiding from you, that there is some past karma. There is some past energies that are related to him right up to that are related to him right now, and he has to clear the past before coming to you. So be hopeful, Cancer. This is for you for the month of April. I am so much happy that these energies, that your person is missing you and your energies are so positive, and I wish you all the best, and I want you to how to be optimistic about your love life, and come forward with your, and I pray that your person will come forward with a great offer. Thank you so much.